Applying to jobs can really suck. We've all been there, having to search for new job openings, reading job descriptions, copying and pasting your resume over and over. But what if jobs can come to you instead? One way to do this is to have a stellar LinkedIn profile so that companies and recruiters can easily find you and want to reach out to you. And in this video, I will show you 3 free AI tools that will easily transform your profile so that your inbox can get filled with dozens of job opportunities. If you're new here, my name is Michael and I'll be your guide for the ever-growing world of AI tools. For our first tool today, we'll be looking at ResumeWorded.com. ResumeWorded is a website that provides a service using AI to review, score, and provide feedback on resumes, cover letters, and such. But today we're looking at their free LinkedIn profile reviewer. This AI tool scores your entire LinkedIn profile and gives specific feedback for each section, mainly your headline, your summary, and your experience section. In order to get your results, you must first download your LinkedIn profile from your page. Then simply upload it to the ResumeWorded site, and in just a few seconds, you have a free analysis of your profile using AI. For my profile, I learned that my about or summary section is by far my weakest link. The tool even called out that my summary can be improved significantly. And when looking at some of the free checklist items you get from the free version, I can also see that the length of my summary is too short. It also says that I am not mentioning any of my hard skills in it. I find this analysis quite accurate because while researching to make this video, I found that the best profiles have a summary section that is quite longer than just a simple paragraph. For the paid version of the tool, you can unlock significantly more recommendations and insights, but for now, I think using the free version of the tool gives us a great starting point to understand where we need to focus our attention. Now that we have our general sense of how our LinkedIn profile scores overall, the first area of focus should be the headline. Your profile headline is super crucial to get right because one of the first things people see when they run into your profile, and that is whether they're looking for your name specifically across the search results or the keywords that are found in your profile, such as your job title. The thing is, it's not easy to impress everyone who comes across your profile, especially when you are only limited to 220 characters or about 44 words. Do you write your job title and explain what you do? Do you maybe mention your skills and certifications? Or do you express your goals and interests of what you want to achieve? LinkedIn Jetpack, a website that sells LinkedIn marketing services, also offers a free LinkedIn profile head generator that by far has the best framework I've ever come across. Out of the dozens of generators I've seen on the internet, this is by far my favorite one. To get started, simply head to their website and follow each of the steps laid out. The first thing that comes up is how you describe your role. For example, accomplished sales manager. Then select a divider emoji as a sort of punctuation mark. This will come up a few times, but don't get stuck there. Don't think too hard about it. You can always change it later. After, select your superpower, for example, PowerPoint extraordinaire or AI aficionado. Then, write in a personality trait that makes you unique and also interesting. I recommend something relatable. And lastly, for the mission statement, select no so that the AI chatbot can write one for you. As you answer each of these mini prompts here, think about what you do, how you do it, and why it is of value. And again, after only a few seconds, you have a pretty good headline that follows the very effective framework laid out. In summary, that framework is your role, your superpower, a relatable personality trait, and the value that you provide. If you're not 100% happy with what you see, feel free to adjust as needed, maybe even redo the steps again. I like to use a different emoji after each tagline that sort of relates to it, but that may vary across your industry, your job, or even your seniority. Links down below for some great examples of jobs across different industries. Hey, if you learned something new so far or found any of this interesting, let me know by clicking the like button below. So by now you have an attractive headline and you are now getting companies and recruiters to click on your profile. But that alone is not enough to seal the deal. For the next and final portion of this video, we'll be looking into the about or the summary section of your profile, which if you recall was my weakest link. Think of your headline as a sort of hook that gets people interested into your profile and your about section as the sort of anchor that makes recruiters think, I've definitely got to message this person. Your about section should not only just give a short professional summary of your career, but it should also specifically highlight the value that only you can bring to the table all while humanizing you so that you appear more approachable. To get this done as easily as possible, I've created a single prompt for you to copy and paste into ChatGPT. And don't worry, even if you've never used ChatGPT before, this prompt will walk you through every single step of the way and make this as easy as possible. As I just mentioned, simply copy and paste my prompt into ChatGPT, link down below, and ChatGPT will ask you just a few questions about your job title, your years of experience, your proudest moments, and lastly, a bit about your interests. Once you answer these 4 questions, ChatGPT will do its magic and give you an incredible professional summary that is based on instructions found in the prompt. Not too short, not too long, and carefully crafted to the best practices that I've researched. Just drop the final answer into your LinkedIn About section and be prepared to see a rise of LinkedIn messages from companies and recruiters. At this point, you can even redownload your profile and run into the Resume Worders profile reviewer again and see where you improved. As of course, like a resume, your LinkedIn is never quite finished. You can always tinker around and find areas to improve. I'll link down below an article on more ways to use ChatGPT to write outstanding summaries, bullets, and more. If you reach this far into the video, stop the video and start using these 3 AI tools to transform your LinkedIn profile. You can get all of this work done in less than an hour. Otherwise, share this video with someone you want to see succeed in their career, or click this video to learn more about how AI tools can change and empower your life. See you in the next video.